This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning: always replace the strut assemblies in pairs. Never replace just one strut assembly on one side of the vehicle. This can cause dangerous handling peculiarities. Remove the cowl cover in order to access the strut upper mounting nuts. Do this first by removing the wiper arms. Make sure the wiper arms are in the park position and note the locations of the blades on the windshield. Remove the wiper arm fastener cover. Then the fastener. Pull up on the wiper arm to remove it. Wiggle the wiper arm slightly if needed for removal. Remove the fasteners securing the cowl cover, including the remote ground terminal. Carefully pry up on the sides of the cover, then remove the cowl cover. Loosen, but don't remove the strut upper mounting nuts. Loosen the wheel lug nuts. Raise the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheels. Detach the wheel speed sensor harness from the strut body. Mark the position of the knuckle to the strut by scribing or drawing a line on the steering knuckle, following the line of the strut. Detach the stabilizer bar link from the strut. Before proceeding, support the steering knuckle with a floor jack to simulate ride height. Unscrew the nuts securing the strut to the steering knuckle, then tap the bolts out with the hammer. Caution: only turn the nuts. The bolts have serrated shoulders, and turning them could cause damage to the steering knuckle. Use the floor jack to lower the knuckle to allow room to remove the strut assembly, but be careful not to overextend the CV joints. To avoid brake line stress and possible damage, only lower the floor jack enough to clear the strut for removal. Failure to do so could result in fluid leakage and brake system failure. Remove the previously loosened upper strut nuts, while being careful not to let the strut fall downward. Pull out the strut to remove it. Guide the new assembly up into the fender well and insert the upper mounting studs through the holes in the body. Once the studs protrude, install the nuts so the strut won't fall back through, but don't tighten them yet. This is most easily accomplished with the help of an assistant, as the strut is quite heavy and awkward. Use the jack to position the steering knuckle. Then install the two lower mounting bolts and nuts. Align the strut with the mark previously made on the knuckle. Then tighten the nuts to 144 foot-pounds. Move to the top nuts and tighten them to 33 foot-pounds. Reconnect the stabilizer bar link to the strut. Tighten the nut to 52 foot-pounds on 2009 and earlier models, and 59 foot-pounds on 2010 and later models. Reconnect the wheel speed sensor harness to the strut. Install the wheels and lug nuts. Safely lower the vehicle. Then tighten the wheel lug nuts to 140 foot-pounds. Install the cowl cover. Be sure to secure the sides of the cowl in place and install all the fasteners. Install the windshield wipers, noting the position they were in before removed. Tighten the windshield wiper arm fasteners securely, then replace the fastener cover. Have the front end alignment checked, and if necessary, adjusted.